Welcome back, and today we have this Kershaw Leek knife, and it's a Ken Onion design. And Ken Onion is a knife maker, custom knife maker and designer for other companies, and he's a very well established knife maker. So the handle material is a 410 stainless steel. It is a right carry tip down or tip up. Just take these two screws and put them here. And it's a flipper design. So here's a little tab to open it, and you can think like you're turning on a light switch. Very snappy blade. The overall length is 7 inches and the blade length is 3 inches. The blade thickness is 0.09 inch and the blade material is 14C289. It's a Warncliffe blade profile, hollow grind, and as you can see, this is one with the serrated model. It's got the DLC coating to help prevent rust and to minimize reflection. So you can see it's a frame lock. You can open it this way, or you could use a thumb stud. And they call it spring assisted, and it's basically like a Torx bar inside the handle that helps you compress this bar, and then when you give it enough pressure, it helps open the blade open, so it gives it a really snappy opening. Made in the USA. As you can see, this one has been carried and used. This was one of my, when I was just first getting into the world of knives. This was one of the first. And what's really interesting about this knife is that it has the manufacture date on there. It says September 2005, and I bought it around that time, and now what is it? 14 years later, almost 14 years later. Oh, how far I've come from, or how far I've come in the knife world, or at least the knowledge. The scale or the handles is a smooth, no grip. Somewhat of an open flow design. has this back spacer, this little back spacer piece. And then for safety precautions, they did put this little lock, so if you push it forward, there's a little bar that won't allow the blade to fly open in your pocket, which is a pretty smart. And then you can just slide that little bar over and then open the blade. This was a huge success for Kershaw and Ken Onion, and there's so many different variations of this knife now, from Damascus blades to different handle and different color. I'd like to see a newer version of this and see if they still have the manufacturing date. There you have it, the Kershaw Leek, designed by Ken Onion. And until next time, have a great day.